Hey everybody, thanks for joining us on the Daddy-Daughter Dance channel where we use our daddy-daughter time
to teach your daddy-daughter time.
I am Brad the Dad.
Matea the Magnificent.
And today we are learning what?
The Charleston.
Good. So, we're going to do different feet but the same movements. Daughters, you're going to start with your right foot. Dads, you're going to start with your left. What you'll do is you'll go back with that foot, and then you're going to come forward just like you're walking again. Forward.
And
Then you're going to come forward with the other foot, and then you take that foot back.
And then you bring the other foot back.
So back, forward, forward, and back. We should tomorrow. Back and forward, forward, and back. Back, forward, forward, and back. Now, one thing I do want to point out, when I go back, I don't step and commit my weight to it. I just sort of push off. So, back, forward, forward, back. Why don't you try it?
Okay. So it's back, forward, forward.
Okay, so now that you know the footwork, we have to talk about our handholds, our connection, really. So the first thing, dads, our goal is always to get our right hand sort of in the middle of their back. Turn around. Okay? So when I'm standing there, my arm is under hers, and I tend to want it here on their back. Now I understand some of you are probably extremely tall, maybe a very short daughter, what have you. It's okay if you have to come to the side a little bit. So that way I have control. If I'm just pushing gently, I'm telling her where to go. See? All right, so Matea,
Now,
what do you do with your arm?
for the daughters, you don't just leave your arm here, because
That's
not. You can either put your arm here if you guys are a little more of the same height, or you can put your arm down here, which everyone is more
If
comfortable.
Dad's very tall,
This might be more.
you could be here.
But if you guys are like the same height or something.
And the only other thing, you don't want any light getting through here, right? Yeah, you don't want to have her arm up there or anything like that. So as long as you're connected all the way here, hands on her back, her hand is on your shoulder or down on your arm somewhere, then you can just start doing your footwork together. Back, forward, forward and back, forward. If you want to count, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A 1, 2, 3, a 5, a 7. We have a little bit of a bounce to it.
Yeah.
Boom, and back, forward, forward and back, forward, forward and back. So dads and daughters, when you're practicing basic footwork for Charleston, and you're thinking, oh, we got this. Yeah, back, forward. Make it harder on yourself. Try and move around. Not moving forward and backwards necessarily, because you can, but just try and turn with it and stay in sync. So I hope you guys got a lot out of this. If you learned something, if you're really interested in dance, if you enjoyed it, go ahead and like, subscribe. We're going to have plenty more videos coming out. By the end of this week, we will have 2 other Charleston videos, so you can actually do a dance. And hopefully by fall, we'll start to actually have more swing and Lindy Hop coming at you. Thank you. Bye.